everyone, it's Mary George. So I'm here at the Gallery of Modern Art to attend the Australian fashion event. I'll show you the ins and out of the fashion event. Join me! So this is Upma.
Hi.
And this is Sophia Marcos Moreno joining us for the fashion events. Yes.
Yay, we're excited.
Yeah, okay.
Hi, I'm Sophia and I am nominated for Best Designer of the Year. So wish me luck.
Hi everyone, I'm Upma Kite. We got nominated 2 times. One is for our event, which is Ravishing Fashionista. So we got nomination in the category of Best Fashion Event of the Year. And I also got nominated for as a Best Dressed. Wish me luck, so much nervous.
So excited for the fashion awards here in Australia. So I'm gonna show you behind the scene. This is the venue. This is for my blog, as usual, you know.
Hi, my
This is
beautiful.
Angela.
My beautiful skills.
Oh my gosh, is that dress? It's a dress. Can you show us your dress?
I'm Angela Clark and I have been nominated for Model of the Year. Wish me luck!
Hi, Cassandra! Look at this view! We're overseeing the river. So just want to tell you guys, so I got a freebie. It's from Key, Australia. It's really cute.
We all have days where we're feeling a little insecure. Possibly today's a little bit of one of those days for me up here. But I sincerely do hope that in bringing together Women in Fashion with Isabel, that we manage to link all the groups across the globe, that you can find a really accepting community who can make you feel welcome and support your journey in fashion regardless.
So on that note, Carly and I invite you all to relax and enjoy your lunch, and we look forward to welcoming Kathy up to the stage shortly.
We have a 3-course meal for this event. So hi, I'm here with Carly, who's the organizer of this event, this wonderful event. So congratulations, it's really a good event. So yeah, tell us something about this event. What made you do this event for Brisbane?
Look, I really felt like there was still a gap in the industry, especially in Brisbane, of somewhere for anyone in the fashion industry to come together and network and meet each other, whether it's the hair and makeup artists, the photographers, graphic designers, obviously, like the entire industry. And I really wanted to create somewhere where not only they could meet up and catch up, but also a bit of a recognition awards to really highlight the leaders in our industry and congratulate them at the end of the year.
That's a good initiative. So is this going to be a yearly thing for?
Absolutely. We've actually booked Goma for the next 3 years, and we've already got the dates locked in and some sponsors locked in for the following years, so it's going to be fantastic.
It's going to be great. Wow. Thank you for bringing this to Brisbane.
Thank you for coming.
Go back to when did your real passion for fashion begin?
The thing for me with fashion that I've always enjoyed is the way that you can actually change your mood, change your, I guess, the way that you're actually approaching a day, an event. You know, we often say fashion is like a suit of armour for us, and it's so true, and I think that's the thing that's always attracted to me, the way that what you actually put on your body can have such a big impact on how you feel. And when you're going into a circumstance, the confidence that knowing that you actually look kick-ass gives is really, really important.
Outstanding educator and mentor in the industry. So I'm going to announce the voters' choice first. And the voters' choice goes to Ty Nguyen, Fashion 360. Okay, note to all presenters, photos are straight away. Now the winner of today's award for Educator and Mentor is Deborah Fisher from Sunshine Coast University. Where's Deborah?
Launched Goma Restaurant, from a casual bite before a gallery.
So, voters' choice for the 2020 Kingston's Creative Academy Most Successful Fashion Event 2020 goes to Cassandra Barrett. And the winner is Laura Churchill from Brisbane Fashion Week.
I would like to now welcome our third sponsor, Kylie.
Voters' choice goes to Angela Clark. The top model goes to Ebony. Congratulations, Ebony.
Happy birthday for the $200 voucher.
The winner of the voters' choice tonight, the delightful Diket. Winner of the best dressed for 2020 is the delightful Kendall Gilby.
Receive a gift voucher to the value of $250 as a donation from Liz Clift.
Voters' choice, Liz Golding. The voters' choice, the winner is Sophia. And the winner is Stephanie Rook. And the winner goes to Charlene Christie. The winner is Chu Ling from Blue Bungalow.
The 2020 Voters' Choice and winner of the Innovation Award goes to Carla Van Learn from Fashion Wayfinders. And the winner is Mariel Chamberlain from Full Circle Fibers. That concludes the awards, which is very exciting.
Hi, how's it going? How's it going so far?
Really good. It's nice to be in Brisbane and lovely to be at Goma, and what a gorgeous day for a fashion event.
What a gorgeous day and event, and the weather.
Just say, your dress is amazing.
Thank you.
Look at the detail and the gold.
Yeah, it's done by Sophia Marcos is busy with the moment. Wait, who won the Best Designer Award? So we'll talk to her in a while. I'm so excited, so happy to my friend Sophia Moreno Marcos for winning the Standout Designer of the Year. So I'm gonna talk to her now. So hi Sophia, the gorgeous Sophia, look at that. So congratulations on winning.
Thank you very much.
So how does it feel to win the top designer of the year?
It feels great. I'm so grateful to the people who voted for me and thought of me as a worthy designer of the year. I owe all my work and my hard work and my dedication to them. Thank you very much.
So what inspires you to become a designer, or how do you create your creation, your wonderful creation? I'm gonna do a flashback of all the creations you did. They're all amazing. So what inspires you to do those designs?
Well, many things. I get inspired mostly by my heritage. I'm South American, I'm Peruvian, so I take a lot of inspiration from my culture, but also from the Australian and the modern world, and basically just being a woman. So I take a lot of inspiration from the femininity of a female.
Wow, that's a powerful message. So any message to any aspiring designer like you?
I think just don't worry about selling. Don't worry about selling masses or mass production. Don't worry about being commercial. Focus on what you like to do, what you love to do, your design, and that will make you happy, and that will bring the money, and that will bring you success.
Great. Such a great tip. Yeah. Okay, so cheers.
Cheers. Salud. Cheers. Thank you, Meredith.
Thank you. So I'm here with Cassandra, who won the Best Events Award.
Yeah, the best fashion event of 2020. I mean, how awesome is that? And thank you to everyone who voted for us. I'm thrilled beyond belief. You can't imagine how excited I am. And you know what? 2021. Watch out!
Watch out! Congratulations!
Nominees! Oh my god. You guys are terrible. Oh my god.
You have to send me.
Stop it. Let me show you how to do a selfie.
How to do a selfie.
Okay, you ready?
So the event just ended, and I hope you enjoyed that. So we're ending the event here at this place. Follow us, follow us. So we're ending the party here at the Terrace Bar. Is it the Terrace? At the Emporium. today to